So the next presenter we have is Brandon Flanagan, who is the Director of Engineering at Robertshaw. Robertshaw is a global design engineering and manufacturing company that delivers advanced flow control components and systems for water, gas, and other fluids. Pass it over to you, Brandon.
Okay, perfect. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Brandon Flanagan. I'm the Director of Engineering at Robertshaw for our gas portfolio. Robertshaw is an industry leader in flow control technology for the appliance industry. We are known as the experts in gas valves, gas pressure regulators, burners, and water valve technology. This year, we are celebrating 125 years as a company with a rich history and innovation. Today, I'm going to present a technology that we are extremely excited to introduce, the Master Gas Regulator. And Natalie, if you could go to slide 2, please. Thank you. I will start with a design overview. In a typical gas stove, we have a gas pressure regulator, which is at the inlet typically, and that's in the bottom right of the picture to the right of the screen. It's actually circled in orange. The gas pressure regulator will feed the oven burner, which is just to the oven valve, which is just to the left of the gas pressure regulator. That will feed the oven burner, and which is on the bottom, the burner on the bottom, and then the burner in the middle, which is the broil burner. The gas pressure regulator will also feed the cooktop, and you can see how there's two tubes going out the backside. The cooktop is, of course, in the upper portion. Through the manifold, through the manual valves, where gas will exit the orifice holder and feed the top burners. In all of these products shown on the right-hand side, Robertshaw is a leader in design, development, and production of all of these products. The Master Gas Regulator combines a standard appliance gas pressure regulator and a standard solenoid valve. We have taken these two separate products and combined them into one. This combination satisfies the redundancy requirement for the oven cavity, which is typically fulfilled with a manual shutoff valve. So typically a manual shutoff valve is connected to the GPR and it creates redundancy going to the oven valve. The Master Gas Regulator not only provides redundancy, but also the shutoff to the cooktop. So basically, whenever you turn on your cooktop burners, you're doing a manual valve. This provides a shutoff to the cooktop as well. So the ability to lock out your cooktop. So it's a single solenoid that will lock out the entire appliance, giving the homeowner more control over their appliance. Natalie, if you could go to slide 3. Thank you. Describing the design further, I'm going to compare the schematic created by the Master Gas Regulator to a common schematic found in industry. On the top, you'll see the schematic with the Master Gas Regulator. And you'll notice first that it goes to a solenoid. So this is basically the gas inlet to the appliance. The first thing that it will see is a solenoid. The solenoid will activate, allowing gas to flow to the regulator. The gas with a controlled pressure will flow to the oven cavity in the cooktop. In the common schematic, gas flows directly to the regulator. From there, the regulated gas will flow to the cooktop and the oven cavity. For the oven cavity, it will pass through a manual shutoff, which is the extra X that you see before the bake and the broil burner. In summary, the main difference is that we are putting a solenoid at the inlet of the appliance in our product and eliminating the need for the manual shutoff at the oven cavity. And Natalie, if you could go to the 4th, please. Perfect. A key benefit of this technology is the ability of the homeowner to lock out their appliance when they are away. Some homeowners use their homes to gain additional income in the short-term rental market using various online platforms. This technology allows the homeowner to decide if the guest can or cannot use their appliance within the home. A homeowner might also be interested in this technology if they have pets or children. Extremely unlikely, but if the homeowner is concerned that their children or pet might activate the cooktop burner valve, this solution will require that the solenoid is active before the burner is turned on. Basically, this technology gives an extra peace of mind. The relocation of a common feature creates an additional function while meeting the redundancy requirements, and that's why we believe that this product is so special. Thank you for your time and allowing me to present this product that we are extremely excited to release. Thank you, and thanks for the help, Natalie.